meie oleme Loodushoiu õppeküla.
Best Village in the World is a 2-month project in Tallinn Waldorf School, where student teams design a micro-society, thinking holistically through all main aspects of their dream village, making a real-life model, and finally presenting their best villages in front of the packed hall. Maailma parim küla on projekt siin Tallinna Waldorf koolis, mis kestab 2 kuud ja mille käigus õpilased õpivad mitut asja korraga. Nad õpivad terviklikult mõtlema, sellepärast et on vaja sellised külad neil luua, maketid teha, ehk siis käelised oskused arenevad. It all starts with several days tuning into the topic, weighing alternatives in terms of social order, economy, location, and as first versions about the main ideas of different villages expressed, groups of 4 to 5 students are starting to crystallize. At least 4 weeks are dedicated to making the model of the village, overseen by art teacher Pille Känksepp.
Tegelikult nii nagu võib-olla varem on öeldud, et see esimene väga tähtis asi, mida nad õpivad, on omavahel teineteist kuulama ja koostööd tegema ja arvestama ja leidma konsensust, kuidas näiteks neljakesi luua see üks maailma parem küla. Nii et see nende jaoks on eksisteeriv ja töötav küla. Ja kuidas see siis kõik visualiseerida ära maketina. Et ma ütleksin, et isegi see koostöö on minu arvates kõige olulisemal kohal.
Working with hands in quite a relaxed atmosphere is also a good opportunity to think through, sometimes debate, and hopefully reach agreement on all important aspects of the village, including physical, different buildings, location, landscape, heating, electricity, water, economic, what are the main activities in the village, how it functions economically, what is the needed investment, where does it come from, social, how decisions are made, how good relationships are nurtured, cultural and worldview, is there a specific philosophy or religion in the village, which traditions are followed and which holidays are celebrated. When the models are ready, the preparation for grand presentation starts. First in classroom, making the slides, and then last rehearsal in the hall, and finally the big day. Many classes and even some parents have gathered to hear about each village, ask questions, give feedback, and celebrate. So here they are, the best villages in the whole world.
Ja meie oleme Loodushoiu õppeküla.